Get your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.
Classic CC lets you arrange the order of slides in your slideshow if you choose an appropriate slideshow source. You may only rearrange slides in a slideshow if the slideshow source is either a regular collection or a folder that does not contain subfolders. The best way to ensure that this option is available for your slideshow is to create a specific collection in the Collections panel at the left side of the window for each new slideshow you want to create. To rearrange photos in the slideshow after you have selected a slideshow source that supports a custom order, simply drag and drop the photos that appear within the film strip in the slideshow module into the desired order from left to right. When you click and drag to rearrange the images, which rearranges the slides, always click and drag from the center of the thumbnail image in the film strip rather than the thumbnail's edge to ensure that you can easily rearrange the images and also to ensure that you don't alter the image's metadata information in the thumbnail.
Like what you see? Pick up your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.